today we are working on the Lexus. Real quick, all we have to do is just change the light bulbs for the regular beams. This still has the factory light bulbs that came with this car in 1999, about 20 plus years ago. So today we're going to be changing them. I bought some Sylvanias. These are H1 light bulbs, and all you have to do is you just got to get in here. You just have to twist this assembly right here, and then you just twist it this way. It comes out. You change the light bulb and twist it back in. So it's nothing difficult. What I got was the top of the line. They're called the Silver Star Ultras. These are the ones. You guys can see where they plug in. They have a way to connect them that is very particular to them. It's really easy. So those are the ones that you're gonna see. You will see that these ones are they have a blue filter on them, which makes the light a lot less yellow. And then I'll show you guys the comparison. So I'm gonna do one first, then I'll show you guys how it looks with both lights on, and then we'll finish the second one. On this other side, it is a little bit harder just because you have the battery blocking your way. So you do have to disconnect your battery and then move it a slightly bit. Here you're gonna need to remove this 10, or it's either a 10 or a 12. So you just remove this one right here, remove the battery, or move it to, scoot it up a little bit, and then you can change the light bulb. So to remove it, very, very simple. You just come in here. You want to twist this bad boy like such. It doesn't require too much strength. And then you see this lip right here. Just want to pull it out, and the entire assembly just easily comes out. You just gotta help it out. First it'll be the cover, and then right after that you see those two pins. Right over here you can see the two pins, number one right here, and then number two right next to it. So you do have to remove those two like such. One and then two right there, and your light bulb becomes exposed. It's really simple. As you have this clip right here, you just have to push it down, and then it releases. You can see you can put it to the side, and then immediately you can just grab this guy. The other one is ground, and now you have your light bulb. So on that side we have the brand new ones, and on this side we have the older ones. You can see that the color temperature in these are a lot more yellow, and you can see that these are not just wider but also a lot brighter. You can see how it reflects onto the housing itself, that these ones are like that, and you can see that these ones, they are a lot dimmer. The other neat thing you got going on is that right here in this assembly, you can see that you have a screw right here that's just kind of like sitting around. You can use a Phillips to tilt these up or down as you may need it. We have another video where we explain how to adjust all those lights, so that'll be in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, this is how you change your lights to the new Silver Stars. Like I mentioned, these are H1s. And right here you can see the difference. On the right side we have the new ones, and on the left side we have the older ones. It's very clear that the newer ones have that blue filter, so that you can have a wider light, a lower temperature tone. And you can see on the left side, those are the older ones.